Hi, and welcome to BOWWE. In this brief tutorial, I'll show you the essentials on how to start building your website using our BOWWE builder. Add your first widget by pressing the plus button between containers and clicking Add to Body. You're going to need a container to organize your work, so let's add a column layout. Column widgets or ready-made sections will be automatically adjusted to mobile devices, so you don't have to worry about how it will look on a smaller screen. This layout gives us a few basic widgets, so let's go over them really quick. Let's start with the header. To edit any text-based widget, either click on the widget and select Edit from Widget Tools, or double-click on it. Now you can replace the default text with proper content. Use the Global Styles or UI Kit panel to set project-wide text styles, including colors and fonts. Here, all changes will be applied globally on every subpage throughout the entire project, so you can change them once and at any time. To add a new widget, just drag and drop it in your project. If you want to add, for example, New Button, go to Widgets on the left side panel and find the Button widget. Then, move it to a space underneath the text and click when the green bar appears in the place you want. Feel free to use the Context menu for positioning the elements on your page. Open the Button widget settings by clicking the green cogwheel to link a page to the button. If you need to change how some widgets function, this is where you can do this. From the presented options, you can redirect any user to other subpages, for example, to the About Us page. Now for the image widgets. You can use pictures from the local library after uploading them from your personal computer, or generate new images using our AI image generator. Let's now discuss how to edit content. After the structure has been set, the Styles dialog lets you influence the overall design. Select any widget and click the paintbrush icon. In the Styles dialog, we have 3 tabs for widget styling. The first one can modify the background with colors defined in global styles, or brand new ones from the color picker. Additionally, you can change opacity and add many more special visual effects, like shadows. The second tab revolves around font changes, similarly to global styles typography, but with slightly more options for individual widget. The third is about positioning your widget in relation to other elements. Padding is the distance inside the element and is best used in containers, while margin is a distance outside of the element and is used to separate widgets from each other. Both values can be adjusted either from the Styles dialog or directly within the widget. If you want to add animations, select the fourth tab with Animations. Here you can animate any widget in the project. In addition to body, your project has a nav bar, which is mainly used for navigating your website, and a footer, for closing the project with sitemap or social icons. Both navbar and footer are so-called common regions. It means that they stay the same on every subpage of your website, and any change to them will automatically apply to all other subpages. Talking about subpages, you can always create more. On the left side, select the Pages menu. This will open your page settings where you can name your page, set the address URL, and manage your social and SEO descriptions for better search positioning. When it's ready, you can just save the project and start editing it, like we did just now. After your page is completed, all that's left to do is to save your project and publish it. Thanks for watching.